Let me make one thing clear. I don't care how important you are to me. The moment you make it clear that I'm not important to you, you become a stranger to me. I've learned that loyalty is everything. If you can't see my worth, then you have no place in my life. I don't waste time on people who don't value me. Respect is earned, not given. And I give respect to those who deserve it. But the moment you show me that you don't care, you lose my respect, you lose my trust. People come and go. I don't have time for games. Or for people who think they can treat me any way they like. Simple. You respect me, I respect you. You stand by me, I stand by you. But if you decide to walk away, don't expect me to follow. So, if you're in my life, remember this. It's a privilege, not a right. I won't beg for attention. I don't chase after anyone. I focus on those who matter.